What's going on, guys? It is Nerf Rogue here, and I know a couple months ago I put out a video said I wasn't going to do a whole lot of like unboxing reviews or blaster reviews at all, and just kind of stick to war footage. But I ran across something today at Target while I was out just looking at blasters, see which one was going to be the next one I was going to buy, and I found probably the most unique blaster that I've ever seen. Personally, it's not Nerf, it is toilet paper blaster skid shot. It literally says you can wipe out the competition. So it just looked really interesting to me. Never seen a toilet paper launcher before outside of putting a hair dryer and a toilet paper roller together and just streaming somebody with it. So let's go ahead and get into opening this thing and seeing what's inside, as well as put it together. Alright, so let's get it opened. If I can actually get the box open there. So there's the front of the box. Pretty nice. Head seems to be having fun. And all the parts fell out of the bottom. So it comes with your instructions, all of these little tiny pieces which we'll have to cut open. So we got, looks like our roller, the holder for the roller, which is nice. Spit wad barrel, water tank, and I'm not sure what this part is. Maybe a priming handle? Who knows? Oh, it's a jam removal tool. Cool. So we can actually like stick this in there and get jams out if we need to. Alright, so let's get these out of here. Trying to be as gentle as possible with it. There we go. So, almost kind of straightforward for this part anyway. It's pretty solid. Like it's really heavy actually. It's kind of nice. I think it goes this way. That's how you're gonna prime it and all that. So let's get our handle out of here. I'm gonna tear this box open. So it looks like we just click that in place. Oh yeah, that's a nice heavy snap. That snap is really nicely put in there. So now we'll put our barrel on next. And that just, oh, it just clicked. Oh, that's nice. So you put it in, and then it twists in place, so it's actually locked in there really nicely. And you guys you might want to forgive me. I'm trying to do this all in one take and see what happens. Oh, this goes this way. Yeah, there we go. Now the real question is, does this unscrew or do we have to? Okay, so we're gonna put our toilet paper on first. Yeah, and then that all just sits into place. Okay, and it does have a locking mechanism under there as well. Awesome. So that's how it sits. I'm guessing it goes in this way. Yeah. And we'll get some water and put in here. I actually brought like a bottle of water because I didn't know how this thing was actually going to fill up. So let's try and be real careful here. See if we can get that in there without spilling everywhere. That is a very tiny opening. Very small opening. And I read some reviews online after I found this at Target. It says that some water leakage is okay. As far as like when you're using the blaster, I don't know what that means. So we're just gonna turn this back upside down and screw that in place. Oh yeah, that's, yeah. Again, that opening is super small. I got it feeding in there. Let's see what happens. Nothing? Okay. Something's wrong. Yeah, so something's not wanting to fire right off the bat. Maybe I didn't get it cocked back all the way, or back forward all the way. Oh, there it goes. Okay. Well, that was a little less impressive than I thought it would be. So we're going to pull that out. Oh yeah, they're getting stuck in there a little bit. Yeah, so they're getting stuck in the barrel already. So I can't blow it out myself. So that's kind of unfortunate. I was hoping this thing would be... I think there's one actually caught in the end there. I was hoping this would be a lot more entertaining than it actually is. It doesn't seem to be doing what we want it to do. Yeah, there's a couple of them stuck all the way into the barrel. Let me come back and we'll get this sorted out. Alright, so I think I figured out what was going on. I'd had one get stuck up in the end of the barrel. So you do got to cock that back twice, and then pull back the priming handle, push it in and down, and then, yeah, it actually shot that one pretty far. Yeah, that's really cool. Yeah, it hits about 30 feet. It's not like the greatest thing ever, but it's just a fun little gimmicky gun. Like, it's a, gimmicky blaster. I would think with better barrel seal, because the barrel doesn't really seal in there very well. I would think getting a better seal with the barrel itself would help out a lot. I might come back and do another review after, like a mod review of it after I'm done. But so far, seems to be doing all right. And I think it might help if I change the way that the toilet paper is on there, just to get like an actual good pull on it. We'll see. There we go. Oh, wow, that goes on there. There we go. Yeah, so I had it going, I think, the wrong way as far as feeding. So we put it around this way. Let's see what happens. It might have been catching resistance from the way it was feeding wrong. Oh yeah, that's... Now they're going. Yeah, now they're hitting that claimed 30 feet. And you do have to make sure that this handle is pushed down. There's a it feels like maybe a lever inside that keeps it from firing if you don't actually push that from there to there. Oh yeah, now we're getting 30 feet easily 30 feet. Maybe I'll do a different types of toilet paper review just to see like which one is better for this particular blaster. But thanks you guys for watching. And as always, Hell Hydra.